to Stevia Select. Today we're going to talk about some delicious recipes with blueberries, one of my favorite vegetables, actually fruits, and it's actually one of the top 10 healthiest foods you can eat, packed full of antioxidants, and one of my favorites. So, we're going to use another delicious thing called Greek yogurt. The reason Greek yogurt is so healthy is because it has the probiotics. You get all those great, the flora going on in your intestines. It also has twice the protein of other yogurts. You got to get the plain, obviously, because the other one is chock full of sugar. I'm going to show you how you're going to make it sweet, though, with our Stevia Select. I also found that the non-fat, for those of you who are watching your fat intake, the fat is like twice as many carbohydrates. So if you're watching your carbs, you're going to want to make sure you get the one that is not non-fat. It also tastes much yummier too. So first I'm going to start by grinding up my blueberries. I'm going to put it in the Cuisinart nut and seed grinder. Handy little tool. I absolutely love it. You can find it on our recommended tab on our website. I'm just going to grind it up here for about 2 seconds. Boom, I've got my blueberries. These are going to be so yummy. Look at that. It's going to be so delicious. Now, I love this for, I love to have it for breakfast. I'm a low carb kind of girl. I found that I feel so much healthier. I feel better. But I also love this as a snack that won't put on the pounds when I'm, maybe watching TV at night, or maybe in the afternoon I get the munchies. So there's 2 ways we can sweeten this to make it taste absolutely like blueberry pudding or the kind that you're going to find at the store. I like to use our stevia all natural. It just adds sweetness to it. Shake it up, and I would add approximately 1/4 of a dropper to sweeten this. Or if you prefer the all natural powder, this has no fillers and no extra ingredients, so it's very concentrated. You can, when I use it, I just use the shaker side because I already am familiar with how much I like. But if you're not familiar with stevia, I would start out with 1/8 of a teaspoon and do approximately half of that because it's very concentrated. You can always add more. So you can see how very fine it is, just a powder, and it'll just sprinkle it right on the top there. Just that little bit's going to do the trick. And then we're just going to mix this up. Oh, this is going to be so fabulous. I find that this 1/2 cup serving, it will give you about 5 carbs, but it has so much protein that it really keeps me satisfied all the way up until lunchtime. And the taste, I do not feel like I'm dieting at all. I really feel like I'm splurging, but it just helps my stomach to know that I'm doing something really healthy. I read the other day that Dr. Oz actually recommended 3 ounces of yogurt before every meal to cut down on belly fat and to help you lose weight. So this is a great way if you follow Dr. Oz and you want to take his advice. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, tastes like blueberry heaven. Literally, it tastes almost like a blueberry cheesecake. But if you want to add some extra toppings, I love to sprinkle a little bit of flaxseed on it. You can check out my other videos. I talk how you can make your own flaxseed. I like to sprinkle a tablespoon on that. Get my omega-3s in every morning in my breakfast. And then almonds, also one of your top 10 best foods. I made my own almond flour again in here. Check out my other videos. Sprinkle that on the top, and I am good to go. Seriously, guys, you've got to try this. Check out our website if you want to order our products right off of Amazon. Leave your comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.